Solve this problem will not get this result. There is an error in the textbook problem. R minus 4 and 2, these are the factors. But no factor can give you middle term. Half by half cancels. Root 3, if you bring this set divided by root 3, cancels. Root 2, if you take that set, it will come into root 2 and by x. What are the values of x? 1 by 2 comma 2. Welcome to the sessions, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of standard angles. See here in exercise 14.1 they gave a first problem. See dear students, this particular problem x square minus 2 plus cosecant square pi by 4 into x minus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to cos 90. They want you to prove this x is equal to 4 and minus 2. But here we can solve this problem, will not get this result. There is an error in the textbook problem. Whatever it is, I'll show you how to solve the method and I'll tell you what is the exact value you are going to get in this case. So now we'll take the given problem x square minus 2 plus cosecant square pi by 4. You know cosecant pi by 4 is the reciprocal of sin pi by 4. Sin 45 degrees. All of you know pi by 4 means 180 by 4, that is 45 degrees. Secant 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 means reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root. So substitute it. Then it will become root 2 the whole square into x minus 2 times secant square pi by 3. Secant is the reciprocal of cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Secant 60 is 2 square is equal to cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Now simplify this. It will become x square minus 2 plus root 2 cancels into x minus 2 square is 4. 2 is 8 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 4 x minus 8 is equal to 0. Dear students, since we don't have any quotient here, so now if you factorize this, we'll not get that roots. So, but we can factorize this using the formula x square minus 4x minus 4. I cannot see what are the factors for minus 8. For minus 8, 8 1 is 1 minus 8 and the other factor is 4 and 2. R minus 4 and 2, these are the factors. But no factor can give you middle term. So therefore we cannot factorize. So use the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So b means minus 4 plus or minus root of b square. What is b square? Minus 4 the whole square 16. 4ac. A is 1. C is minus 8 divided by what? 2a. 2 into 1. That will be 4 plus or minus root of 16 plus 4 8 is 32 by 2. Further that will be x is equal to 4 plus or minus root of 32 48 divided by 2 and 4 plus or minus root 48 can be written as 16 3s. So you can write it as 4 plus or minus root 4 root 3 by 2 and you can take 4 common. If you take 4 common 1 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2, it will be 2 1s are 2 2s are. Finally 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. These are the roots. But they gave in textbook 4 minus 2. So it's an error in the textbook, but when you solve you will get 2 plus or minus root 3. Next we have, if x into sin square 30 into cos square 45 is equal to cos cube 30 into secant 30 into tan 45 by cosecant square 45 into cosecant 30, they want you to prove the value. Take the given equation and substitute x into what is sin 30? 1 by 2. What is cos square 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 square means whole square. And cos cube 30 is root 3 by 2 whole cube. Secant 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So secant 60 will be what? 2. Tan 45 is 1 and cosecant is what? Reciprocal of sin. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 is root 2 square. Cosecant 30 reciprocal of sin 30. So sin 30 is 1 by 2, so it will be 2. So now we need to simplify. I can cancel 2 1 2. So x into 1 square is 1, root 2 square becomes 2 and root 3 by 2 whole cube can be written as, so root 3 cube by 2 cube into 2 by root 2 whole square. I can cancel square root. Now further it will be x by 2 in LHS is equal to root 3 cube can be written as 3 root 3 whole square or root 3 into root 3 square into 2 by 8 whole thing divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 4s are Further, x by 2 is equal to square root cancels. It will be 3 root 3. 1 root 3 will be as it is. This will become 3 root 3 divided by 4 is there into 2. This comes to denominator. 1, 2 and 2 you can cancel. So finally you will get x is equal to 3 root 3 by 4. And what we need to prove? We need to prove same 3 root 3 by 4. We got the answer. So simple. Put the values of standard angle. You will get the answer. Next. Okay. We'll do problem 3 now. So x into sin 45. All of you know sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Tan 60 is root 3. Sin 30. Sin 30 is what? 1 by 2 in angle table. And cot 30. Cot 30 is root 3. Reciprocal of tan 30. 3 times cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And you know cosecant 45 is reciprocal of sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosecant 45 is just root 2. So now cancel the like terms. See here, dear students, on both the sets root 3 cancels. Root 2 cancels. Whatever the left out terms simplify. You're left with x is equal to, and directly if you observe carefully, this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancels. I'm left out with, what is left out? 1 by 3. That's it. Simple. Half by half cancels. Root 3, if you bring this set divided by root 3, cancels. Root 2, if you take that set, it become into root 2 and by cancels. Or directly you can cancel. So what is left out now? 1 by 3. Next we have x square into cosecant 45. X square into, what is cosecant square 45? Sin 45 reciprocal. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. So cosecant 45 becomes root 2. So this will become root 2 square minus cos square 90. You know cos 90 is 0 and 0 square, and minus 5 cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0 into x. Secant square 45 is root 2 the whole square is equal to 0. Now simplify, square root cancels. We will be having 2 into x square minus 5 into 1 is 5, x plus root 2 and 2 cancels. So 2 is equal to 0. So now we have x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now multiply these two. If you multiply 2 2s are 4. What are the factors for 4 that will give you minus 5? 4 1s are 4. If you multiply, you will get, and minus 5 if I want, minus 4 minus 1 I can take. Factorize. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0 I can write. Now this is a quadratic equation. Middle term factorization we have done. So in these two terms, in 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0, I can take x common here. So I'll get 2x minus 2. If I take minus 1 common, again I'll get x minus 1, 0. So now 2x, if you take, sorry, x minus 2. Here we have taken, you can take 2x common here. Take 2x common, so it will become x minus 2. And take x minus 2 common, we'll be having 2x minus 1. So each term equated to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 gives x is equal to 2. And 2x minus 1 equal to 0 gives x is equal to 1 by 2. So they want you to find the values of x, and you got the values of x. What are the values of x? 1 by 2 comma 2. So these are the values of x. X is equal to what? 2 comma 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 comma 2. They want you to prove this, and we got it. I hope all of you got this. So please sit and practice the problems. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.